At the age of 21, Pusala Venkata Sindhu became the first Indian woman to bring home a silver medal from the Olympics. Her feat at Rio made her a household name in India and an international sensation. Sindhu has achieved so much success at such a young age, but the journey to the top has been a long one.
Well, I started at the age of 8.5, and it was just for fun that I started playing. And of course, my parents were volleyball players, and my dad was a volleyball player, and he was playing. And besides, there was a badminton court, and that's how I just went, played for fun. And then near my house, I used to play with my friends, and then I started going daily. That's how I continued playing, and that's how I'm here today. In India before, it was like, okay, girls should, really be like, okay, fine, they have to study, some should become only doctors, engineers, but not really very much popularity to the sport. Nobody know that, okay, fine, I'll become an Olympic medalist and I'll be top here. That time it was just that, okay, fine, she's playing, and they were like, no studies and no badminton, where will it go, what will she do?
Indian fans are on their feet.
He always had belief in me because, after winning one by one match, first he thought it was just, okay, fine, I want my daughter to win nationals, and then coming to the international circuit and, winning step by step is completely different. And he also wanted to have some big dream, and I think that also fulfilled, and he has many more dreams too.
With the support of her family, Sindhu found success on the court as a teenager. From breaking into the top 20 in 2012 at the age of 17 to winning her first senior title in Malaysia and finishing with a bronze medal at the World Championships a year later in 2013. The first Indian woman to win a medal in the singles discipline at the World Championships. Her valiant efforts were recognised by her nation as she received the Arjuna Award in India for outstanding achievement in sport, an award she shares with her father.
Two different players from different sports. That's very rare combination, I can say. And when my dad was receiving the Arjuna Award, I was not there. And when I was taking an Arjuna Award, he was not there. Of course, he got Arjuna Award very late age, but me getting in such a young age, he felt really very happy about it.
And Sindhu enjoyed further success in the following years, with bronze medal finishes at the Commonwealth Games and again at the World Championships in 2014, paving the way for her moment in the Brazilian sun a couple of years later. But the road to Rio was a bumpy one.
Well, actually, it was really very tough because I had a stress fracture 2014 to 2015, I think August, May, I couldn't play, and then I had to play like 20 tournaments to get qualified for the Rio. And you need to be in top 16. And I was like 13, and anything can happen. If I missed like so many major tournaments because I had a stress fracture and I couldn't play for like 6-7 months. And then again coming back, getting that confidence was really very tough. But I think finally when I got selected, the 2-3 months were really very crucial. And each day really went on, I don't know how, because we had to really focus, and then finally the day has arrived, and it was just that one match at a time. And it was a fantastic week for me, and I came to the finals. I didn't have my phone, and I was like just focusing on my matches, and it was just that stadium and room, and food, come back, sleep, rest, and this is what everything was going on. And finally, silver medalist. After the match was over, we all were there for the ceremony, and when my name was called out, and I think now also if I say, I really get goosebumps because standing there representing the country, and the flag flying high there, it's totally different.
Calm, courageous and confident, Sindhu continued to climb the ranks after an unforgettable 2016, winning a career-best 3 tournaments the following year, as well as a glorious runners-up finish at the World Championships to cement her place as one of the best players on tour.
Now I feel that many players, many youngsters are really motivated by watching my matches or looking at me. That really makes me feel happy and also really confident, and also that support that I get from every fan and everybody. Okay, fine, she is doing really well. And definitely the responsibilities are always there, always high. To win the matches, to come to that level is okay, but to maintain that level is really very tough for any player or any individual. I have to work a lot more harder, that's what I feel. I just think myself that I have to stay happy and enjoy my life and keep going, and just that you just keep smiling and everything goes on well.